Hey guys, in the video we will talk about how you can make money by using a free Forex robot. I will give in-depth explanations of what a Forex trading bot is, the benefits of employing one, and our top 2 choices for the best free Forex trading bots. We'll also look at how to put one up, how to use it, and whether or not you should be using one. Let's begin by defining a Forex trading bot in detail. These tools have a sophisticated appearance, but they are actually pretty simple and straightforward to use. Keep watching this video, because I will be sharing some of the best free-to-download bots, which you can use to make $50 to $100 a day. What is a Forex trading bot? A foreign exchange trading robot, sometimes referred to as a Forex trading bot, is a type of algorithmic trading that uses signals from the Forex market to decide whether to buy or sell a currency pair at a specific moment. These solutions can be easily connected with a wide range of online brokers or trading platforms and are typically fully automated. Both novice and seasoned traders like using Forex trading bots. Such bots are essentially employed for 2 purposes. First, to eliminate the psychological and emotional components of trading that might result in risky errors, and second, to utilize signals and other algorithmic trading patterns to arrive at optimal trading judgments. By adopting a more passive strategy for Forex trading that can be carried out when traders are sleeping or away from their computers, Forex trading bots can also be utilized to cut down on the number of hours that day traders spend physically trading. To go into more detail, trading signals are produced by Forex trading bots. Many of these bots are created in MetaTrader utilizing MQL, which enables users to create their own trading signals and automatically place orders. Forex trading bots are available for purchase online, but one should exercise caution before investing in one. There are hundreds, if not thousands, of online Forex trading bots that make grand claims, and many of which are offered for free. Websites for Forex trading bots can be a haven for fraud and infections. Even if a trading bot is available for free download, it is advisable to conduct research before selecting one. It's also important to note that many Forex trading bots are excellent at making money quickly. A trading bot can provide variable performance over the long term, though. Forex trading bots are created to move within a specific range and to follow market movements. As a result, a quick change in price could wipe out any short-term gains. As always, we advise using a demo account with a trading bot to fully assess its efficacy. Benefits of Forex robots. There are numerous benefits to using Forex robots, such as Forex robots can trade around the clock without assistance from a human. As the foreign exchange market is open 24/7, this is highly helpful for day traders who might wish to take a break or continue trading while they sleep. There is no need for human involvement, which is fraught with feelings and can cause inexperienced traders to make costly errors. Work can be done by Forex robots far more quickly and effectively. They have the ability to use more sophisticated trading techniques that novice traders would not comprehend. With Forex bots, backtesting is significantly quicker and simpler. Trading bots can be used by traders of any experience level, but they are especially beneficial for beginners who are still learning. There are many free options available, even if many trading bots have a fee to use them. Best Forex robots to download for free. You have a few excellent possibilities if you specifically want free Forex expert consultants. It can be challenging to find free Forex bots because many of them are dubious and sometimes even illegal. You don't need to be concerned about any fraud issues because the free Forex bots listed have been reviewed and backtested. So for that, I want you to go to this website where you can get the bots, both free and paid. This is the website used mainly by everyone who wants to buy bots. The website is called MQL5. You can go to the browser and simply type this. Now as the MQL5 opens on the top, I want you to click on the market option. From there you will be taken to the market. On the left-hand side, click on Expert. This will open all the trading bots available on this website. You have different options like popular, new, paid, and free. In this video, as promised, we will be talking about free bots. So click on the free option. Now you can see all the free trading bots available on this website for you to download. The most popular is called Dark Venus. As the website states, Dark Venus is a fully automatic expert advisor for scalping trading. This expert advisor needs attention, in fact, presents a high operating frequency. Dark Venus is based on Bollinger Bands. These trades can be managed with some strategies. The expert advisor is able to get a very high rate of winning trades. It also says, optimization experience is required to download the robot. All the settings are external so that everyone can set the robot as they wish. The basic strategy starts with market order and counter trend, but you can change it, and other strategies trend following. Dark Venus can work with a lot of pairs as mentioned Eurist, PUST, AUTIST, and USTCAD. And here as you scroll down you can also see a video to help you set it up. On the page, you can see it has 500 plus reviews that you can read. It also has a splendid rating of 4.54. You also have an installation and update guide. Now you can simply click on the download option and install the bot. The second trading bot we will talk about is called Center EA. As it states, Center EA is an expert advisor automatic. It has been used by many users for months and the doubts are always the same. It is an EA that can be used with or without a martingale. It is an averaging EA. The take profit and the stop loss are for the set of operations, not for individual operations. Center EA has been designed for Forex, but may work on other symbols. Find your own parameters. Just like Dark Venus, you can scroll down and can watch the video to have a better understanding of the bot. You can see that this bot 90 plus reviews and a splendid rating of 4.45. You can simply download and install it. Let me share with you some information that you need to know if you're new to the field of Forex robots in order to operate these machines. The first is that you require a virtual private server or VPS. A VPS is essentially a virtual computer that is always on. Having a virtual private server will allow you to simply have your robot running on that while you can turn off your computer is advantageous because you don't want to run the robot on your computer because if you keep it on for, say, 7 days a week and never turn it off at all, it might damage your computer. A brokerage account will be your second requirement. Without a brokerage account, you can no longer directly trade on the Forex market. Instead, when you have an account with them, the brokerage account will execute trades on your behalf. According to your use scenario, Forex trading robots can enhance trading performance, particularly for new traders. If you use either of the two free Forex robots, I hope this video will help you increase your trading prospects. There is no chance you won't eventually turn into a successful trader, even if you are just starting out. Use these EAs at your discretion to significantly improve your trading experience. However, we want to mention we are not financial advisors and past performance is not indicative of future results. Our channel does not guarantee any specific outcome or profit. Please consider seeking advice from your own financial or investment advisor. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.